Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. We are continuing Demon Slayer. This is Season 2, Episode 5, titled Move Forward. We are still in the Mugen Train arc. We have this one and then 2 more to go. And we, like, in real time, we haven't been watching any episodes for a couple of weeks. So we're so anxious to get back into it, and I've been thinking about this a lot. And today when we're watching, we're finishing up the Mugen Train arc. They're still going to be coming out twice a week for you guys. But sometimes we just had to film more reactions in advance because it's just difficult to find the time to sit down and watch each week.
Yeah, because I still have my life on the side.
You still have a life?
Yeah, but I mean, this is not my job.
No.
So I have to do, I have a job. I have to
do other things.
Yes.
And then we sometimes have commitments in the weekends and
stuff like that, and no babysitter or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's just to explain that sometimes the schedule is a bit finicky. It's
just for us, but it's not really changing for you guys.
No, but it's just it's just hard for us to schedule it, and sometimes it patrons can miss an episode perhaps, or
yeah. We apologize to our dear patrons for there was a week there where we weren't able to release any new full length reactions, for example,
stuff like
the
that.
uncuts. That was a lot of talking. We really just want to get into it. So do you have anything else you want to say before we start?
No.
Nope. All right, then. All I have to say is just the usual spiel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and then, well, we mentioned Patreon. Check it out. We are several episodes ahead, both with the uncuts and the cut down versions that you see here on YouTube. Link in the description, and also pin comment telling you exactly how far ahead we are. Demon Slayer, Season 2, Episode 5, Move Forward. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Thought for a second that was going to be it, but of course not.
No.
Too easy. He's just merged with the freaking train. He just did that. I don't know if we talked about it,
But yeah, that's
been part of the train for a while, or if it, but yeah, just did it while they were sleeping.
Oh yeah, we're not supposed to.
I think, yeah, still. We're
better,
not.
better, safe
Better.
safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That is nasty. I wonder why they decided to make those things very clearly CGI, just to make it look even more otherworldly. Yes, exactly. We talked about that as well. Now you get to fight the entire train. Sure. Whoop. Whoa, what are we doing now? Ugh. How do you fight that? How do you cut its head off now?
If you can find the core, perhaps, or a.
I don't know. Can you go inside his dreams? Is that how you do it? Find his emotional core?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Yes!
passed out or awake?
I don't know. He's helping. He is not awake. Which is good.
Of course.
Oh no, 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 oh no. Don't wake up, don't wake up. Yeah, we really need
Yeah.
Rengoku. Oh, yes.
Awake? Awake. Awake. Perfect.
Yeah, a lot. Oh, yes.
この汽車は8両編成だ。俺は後方5両を守る。残りの3両は黄色い少年とかまど妹が守る。君と目頭少年はその3両の状態に注意しつつ鬼の首を探せ。
Okay, good plan.
君も気合を入れろ。
He certainly is.
Nice translation also, like with the fired up, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Move forward. Find the head. So is it just at the head of the train? Oh, he... told him this.
Of course.
Oh. Why is that guy still? Oh. Oh, come on. Not again. He did, though. Oh, it's the spine or neckbone.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
spine.
Yes, yeah.
Right.
Oh. Huh. Thank you. You can get out of it though. Close your eyes. Come.
Wow.
Come on. Oh.
No, this is not.
Wait. Ooh. Damn.
俺は山の主の皮をかぶってるからな。恐ろしくて目合わせらんねえんだろ。
Huh.
そうか。伊之助は視線をどこに向けているのか分かりづらいんだ。
Ah, yeah.
夢の邪魔を。
That's why he was still alive. Oh shit.
刺されたのか。
大丈夫だ。
Are you?
首を切るんだ。連撃いくぞ。
We know his resolve, though. He can fight through a stab wound.
Sure.
He's been fighting with like broken ribs and shit before.
Yeah.
Like they're fighting the Hydra or something.
Yeah.
Really nasty version. There we go. Tanjiro. Yes! Come on. Yeah! Oh!
Okay,
But he's got it. He's got it.
Has to shed all the demon, right? Or...
If it's dead, then... Oh, man. All right. Oh, that was intense. This time I think they actually did it.
Yeah. But there's still, like...
Yeah, there's still a couple of
2
episodes left.
episodes left.
So what's gonna happen from here? First off, they're gonna have to make sure that everyone aboard is all right because the whole train just crashed.
Yeah, well, it went off rails at least.
Went completely off the rails.
To crash, yeah.
Yeah. It was amazing seeing Tanjiro doing the Hinokami again.
俺はここで何をしているんだ。まだ夢から覚めていないのか。
The fuck? The fuck? Ball chin. Huh? Nesuke?
私が守る。
夢か。
No balls in the chin. Oh, thank fuck. What the?
次回第6話赤座。
Why? Why?
That was weird.
That was just straight up. Why did you do that? We really wanted to show us a big, buff, bald-chinned Nesuke. Okay, yep. They all woke up this episode. That was good. I was afraid it was just gonna be Tanjiro and Inosuke for a little while, and they were gonna have to figure out how to defend all of the people inside of the train while the rest of them were sleeping. Or at least, like, Nesuke, of course, was awake and trying to wake up the others. And Zenitsu didn't wake up per se, but he still held out.
Sure.
So that was good, and we were wondering about that, like when maybe we were going to see the thunderclap guy, as you call him. It's very effective, like just moving through the train like that, like lightning. And then, of course, the big one, Rengoku. And he took 5 cars by himself.
Yeah.
So, and then Nesuke and Zenitsu could take 3, and then Tanjiro, Inosuke, they got the job done.
Yeah.
By working together or synchronizing. And Tanjiro once again having to just fight through the pain.
Yeah. He took one in the
Stomach somewhere.
Mouth region. No. Wrong
What?
one.
Stomach
Yeah.
region, yeah.
Yeah, I almost like I forgot. I did forget
What?
it was called.
Okay,
Stomach. And then it kind of got in the Danish, like, sometimes when you connect, like, the Danish word instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it almost got that. But
Yeah. The
then,
Danish word for stomach is mao, so I guess there's a little bonus Danish word of the day for you there. But they managed to sever the neck bone, thereby
the spine.
the head,
Yeah.
the spine, and still the whole like trying to use the blood demon art to make them fall asleep. Tanjiro, of course, learned a way out. Almost sliced his own throat like while he was awake.
Yeah.
Thank fuck that Inosuke was there to be like, no, dude, you're not dreaming. Stop it. And then there was the whole thing with like because of his mask that sorry.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that he was so confused, and I think that was strategically wise from the demon that just constantly bombard him with these dream, and at some point he's gonna be he meaning Tanjiro is gonna be so confused, constantly switching between sleeping and awake, that at some point he can't tell what is what, and he's gonna slice his own head off. But it didn't happen, and he was saved.
Yes, and then because Inosuke is wearing freaking boar head, then he was kind of immune to it in a way, where the demon, at least the demon has a name. I forget it.
What was it? Enmu.
Yeah, there we go. Enmu. I think you're right about that. At least wasn't able to make Inosuke fall asleep because doesn't know where he's looking. We don't even know where he's looking most of the time because the eyes of the boar are just going like.
Yeah, and I'm actually thinking that perhaps he is not able to look through the mask or the head, and that perhaps he's actually, because he's so spatially aware that he's actually not seeing. He's just like he's
just using his Daredevil.
He's basically Daredevil.
Yeah.
Boar devil.
Boar devil.
Dare boar.
Lord Inosuke. Yeah. That was great. I really, really enjoyed that, but it had one hell of a cliffhanger, and I just want to continue, so I don't even know what else we can get into, because it was mostly just action, and like a very like they had one goal, one purpose here, or at least like to protect the people and then sever the head somehow if we can find it. And they did at the front of the train. Yeah. And the reason why the train conductor was still alive was, of course, because he was also working for Enmu. Yeah. Wanted to fall asleep. But then we see like the really compassionate and good part of Tanjiro again, where even though the guy just stabbed him, he's like, we need to protect him. We need to make sure that he's also safe before we go for the neck. So, yeah. But let's do the Danish word of the day, and then we'll wrap it up. You kind of already got one with stomach, mayo. So we'll just do another. There's more anatomy, I guess, because they found the neck bone. So let's go with neck. In Danish is
nakke.
Yeah.
And I know it's a bit it's a bit iffy the way that you say it, because nakke, it's like you don't really pronounce the K as much. It's not as pronounced. So it actually sounds more like G, so as if you had like a double G instead.
I guess, but or some people like could also pronounce it more, but at least neck, nakke. And then, no, that's throat. Because like sometimes when you
talk about the neck area, you also talk about like
the about like the whole thing, and also the front front part, as you said, and that is a different word.
But throat is also like, but that's more like throat.
Yes, and in Danish that's
hals.
So,
hey, 3 for 3.
Wow, yeah, you got 3 Danish word of the day today. Lucky you. We just want to get into the next one, so that'll do it for this reaction and review of Demon Slayer Season 2, Episode 5. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.